back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to visualize sales data in Tableau. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to visualize sales data in Tableau, all you can do is simply go and tap open your Tableau. Once you open your Tableau software, you need to simply drag and drop dimensions and measure onto the worksheet. You can use the Show Me panel for chart suggestions and then customize the view by adding filters, sorting, and using color. For example, you can create a line chart by placing order date on column shelves and sales on the row shelves. Then you can change it to the bar chart by selecting bar from the marks card. You can also add other dimensions like ship mode to color to see how different modes contribute to sales over time. So, by doing the basic visualization, changing the chart type, and adding more details with dimensions, you can visualize sales data in Tableau. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.